Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start immediately. Check your watch OS and model so the menus match. If you don't know, open the watch app on your iPhone. Make sure the watch is unlocked and on your wrist, or have the paired iPhone nearby for the watch app flow. On the watch, tap Settings. On iPhone, open Watch, then My Watch. Once done, navigate to Battery or Power Reserve settings to locate power-saving mode options. This is where you'll toggle behavior, not just glance at battery percent. If the watch is already in power reserve, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. That exits reserve but may need a restart. Otherwise, open Settings right arrow Battery on the watch and turn off power reserve or low power mode toggles. From the iPhone, open Watch right arrow My Watch right arrow Battery and disable any power-saving switches there. Make sure you wait for the UI to confirm the change. Otherwise, some background sensors remain. Finish by confirming features resumed. Heart rate, notifications, and complications should update in real time. If toggles refuse to change, restart the watch. If it's frozen, perform a force restart by holding both digital crown and side button until the Apple logo appears. If problems persist, make sure Watch OS is up to date, then try unpairing and repairing the watch as a last resort. If you repair, backup restores settings, so you won't lose health data when you exit power saving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.